In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your payment connection and business location status in your Wix dashboard. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage the important settings for your website and business. Once you're logged in and looking at the dashboard, take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded so the menu options are easy to access. From there, go into the Settings section. Inside Settings, find and click Accept Payments. This area is where Wix shows the current status of your payment setup, including whether your merchant financial account is properly linked. Once you're on that page, look for the connection status. What you want to see here is that the merchant financial account says connected. This is an important detail because it confirms that your payment system is active and able to work correctly with your site. If the account shows connected, that means this part is already set up properly and you can move on. If the page takes a few seconds to refresh, that's normal, so just give it a moment before confirming the status. After you've checked that, return to the main settings area again. This time, click on Business Info. This section contains the core details connected to your business profile and operating setup. Once you're inside Business Info, locate the location status flag parameters and review their current setting carefully. For this part, you need to make sure the status is set to open. This setting is important because it reflects the active availability of the location in your business setup. If it already says open, then everything is configured the way it should be. If not, update it so that the location status flag parameters are set correctly. As you go through these checks, it helps to move slowly and confirm each setting before leaving the page. Small details in your dashboard can affect how your business appears and functions, especially when it comes to payments and location availability. Keeping these settings accurate helps prevent issues later and makes sure your Wix account is ready to support normal business operations. Once both items are confirmed, your review is complete. You've verified that your merchant financial account is connected and that your business location status is set to open. That's all you need to do for this process, and you should now be in good shape moving forward.